Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be answering some questions about Nairaworkers. So if you're one of those guys still asking, or you are still in doubt whether Nairaworker is legit or scam, so in this particular video you are going to discover that. But one thing you should know about Nairaworker is a platform designed for Nigerians or Africans to carry out digital tasks on the platform. And as you are doing that, you're also earning in return from this particular platform. And the cool thing about this particular platform is that it's completely free. You are not paying anything, you are not asked for anything. So stay with me in this video, because in this particular video I'll be showing you whether Nairaworker is legit or scam. So guys, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Nelson, as you can see. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you. And in my YouTube channel, I share videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, and digital marketing, and how to run Facebook ad. So let's dive into the video of today. So Nairaworker is a digital platform that brings affiliate or brings product launcher and business people into the platform. So what this particular platform does is that it brings workers to this particular platform, and it also brings vendors, business people who launch their product or their businesses or their works on this particular platform, and workers, networkers, will now come in place to perform those digital skill or digital task. And the question you want to ask is, Nairaworker a legit platform for you to work, or is just a platform that is just a platform that you just come and waste your time without getting paid? So let's check on Google first. Google will answer this question for us. Let's check on Google. Is Nairaworker legit? Let's check it on Google whether Nairaworker is legit or scam. So we're going to see what people are saying about this particular platform. So what people are actually saying, that is what we are going to take, what Google is saying. So you might want to say you don't want to believe me, but you are going to see what Google is saying about this particular platform and what other people are saying about Nairaworker. If it is actually a place you can earn, a place you can at least spend some of your time, or a place that is not worth your time. So in this video you are going to know all of that. My network is a bit slow, but it's going to load up soon. It's almost, so I'm going to see that. Let me reload. Let's see whether this platform is actually legit. Whether this platform, if you sign up on this platform, whether you are going to make money from this platform or not. So you are going to know that in this video. My network is a bit slow. It's a very bit slow. So you're going to know that, as you can see. So we click on the number one, that is Trustpilot. We click on it. I'm going to open it. Then let's see what people are saying, the comments of people, the review of people, what people are actually saying about this particular platform. So we check on Trustpilot review. Pilot. Now you can see this is Nairaworker here. We have about 197 review already about this particular platform. Now we look at it. Look at the number one review, and if you look at this review we are done in November 5th. That means this particular month, Saturday. So November 5th, 2022. This person said this is one of the best platform out. He said this is one of the best platform. He said this is one of the best platform out there. Their payment is top notch. Their structures is excellent one. Their customer service is very responsive. They deserve a 5-star. This is a review of someone talking about Nairaworkers. So we look at the number 2 again. Look at number 2. It's a Nairaworkers has been one of the best. Nairaworkers has been one of the best and legit paying platform I've come across in Nigeria. You can earn without giving a dime. This is a trusted website indeed. You see, this review was also done in November 5th. November 5th. That is when this review was also done. Let's check another one. You see, it's a prompt review to payment. I love it so much. It's a prompt response to payment. I love it so much. I received my payment today. I applied for withdrawal last week Friday and I got paid today. This was also done November 5th. So you can see there are so many reviews about this particular platform. He said this one said Nairaworkers is really a nice platform. Nairaworkers is really a nice platform. I can say it's a texted and trusted platform where you earn by performing simple tasks. I have been earning from it. Why not join me to enjoy this great opportunity well and deserve a 5-star? So there are so many reviews on this. You can see there are so many reviews. There are so many about this particular platform. And in all of this review, what is this actually telling you? It's telling you simple thing, nothing but the simple thing that this platform is legit. This platform is paid. And what got me surprised is that this platform that is actually paying and legit is free. You're not paying a dime to sign up on this particular platform. So for those of you who feel you are interested to join this particular platform, sign up on Nairaworkers. I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video. So all you need to do, click on the link at the description of this video, then sign up a free account, then begin to complete digital tasks, any kind of task that you want, complete and you get paid. So use the link at the description of this video. And to those who do not know about description, the description of this video is the title Nairaworkers review. Is Nairaworkers legit or scam? That is the description. So click on it, you will see the video. Then when you come to this place, you see how to register an account. But before I register an account, I'm going to log into my account so that you can take a look at it. You see, it says Nairaworkers. Let's look at it here. Nairaworkers is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing platform where connects clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. He said through our marketplace, clients can help freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social media, writing, testing website, data entering, downloading, searching, installing and testing mobile apps, right through to watch YouTube video and so many other things. So you see, that is about this platform. It's a platform that freelancer can search for works, and is a platform that also connects clients and freelancers all over Nigeria to work. And in this platform, there are two accounts. Number one is business owner. Business owner is where business owner can promote their content, either video calls, either YouTube channel, either to install app, whatever. So this is where the business owner can perform that. The freelancer is where you and I comes in to either perform survey, either to complete one job and the other that has been posted by business owner. So it's very, very simple in this platform. And you can see that people have been earning so much money from this platform. You can see this person has earned about 32,675 naira and balance 35,130 and so many others. And you see there are so many tasks in this particular platform that you can complete. There's so many platform, many job here that you can actually complete in this particular platform. So all you need is to sign up. But before I show you how to sign up, let me log into my account. As you can see, this is my account right here. You can see my name, say welcome Nelson. So here is my account, and if you sign up, this is exactly how your account is going to look like. Now let me open to my dashboard, mainly dashboard, so that you can take a look at it. See, okay, you can see it right here. I want to show you guys something here, to show you something right here, so that you will believe that this platform is actually paying and is legit. So there's nothing to be scared of. And the cool thing is that you are not being asked to pay for registration fee, you are not paying for anything, you are not paying a dime. So it's completely free. So there's nothing to be scared of. If you sign up and you see that you discover that it's not something that worth your time, it's not something that you can actually spend your time, all you need to do is to back out. But if you discover that this platform is actually a place to earn a side earning, to that is to have a side income add to other ones you have, you try this particular platform. So let's look at it. My network is a bit slow today, so I don't know why. Let me still reload. So you can try it because it's completely free. You are not asked to pay a dime. No registration fee, no upgrading fee, no posting fee, no tax fee, nothing is completely free. So use the link at the description of this video and sign up a free account and you are good to go. And when you sign up an account, don't just relax. When you sign up account, make sure you are completing digital tasks on those in this particular platform, because doing all those work is the only way that you can earn money from this platform. If you don't do any of the task, make sure you are not going to earn anything. So you're making money from this platform depends on you performing digital skill, completing digital job on this platform. That gives you the opportunity to make money from this particular platform. So let's look at my account. You can see my account here. You can see it. You can see there are so many jobs here. You can see I've earned a little here. You see my earning is 8.20 naira. You see it here, balance. You see it pending, and you see showing you that this particular platform is paying. This earning you saw here is even earning. I'm not even promoting the platform. I've not done any promotion on this particular platform, but you see that the little one I've done, I've earned a bit of it. So you can see that so many jobs. You say available jobs. Always check back for more jobs. You see that so many jobs here. YouTube subscriber. This person need 30 YouTube subscriber. 19 has gotten, and how much are they earning? They earning 18 naira. 18 naira. You see also this one, ever sent, new user only, register bonus. You see 70 something naira. You see this one, YouTube, 25 naira. You see become a millionaire through crypto, register WhatsApp, 7 naira when you join the WhatsApp group. Look at this Facebook like. When you like a Facebook and this Facebook like, you see you earn 8 naira. So there are so many ways in this particular platform that you can earn money, and as you can see it. So in my next video, I'm going to make a review how you can perform all these tasks, because I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm going to do next is to walk you through how you can sign up an account on this particular platform, how you can sign up. So but you have seen that this platform is legit, is paying, is scan free, so you don't need to be scared of anything. So how do you register an account? That is how I'm going to show you. It's a step-by-step process on how to sign up an account. It's very simple on how to sign up an account on Nairaworkers. If you have any question concerning this tutorial so far, don't forget to drop your question for me at the comment section of this video. So ask your question. If there's any area that you feel confused or any area that is not clear to you, make sure you leave your question for me at the description of this video. So I want to show you how you can sign up on this particular platform. My network is kind of a bit slow today. I don't know why, but it's opening. So it's opening a sign up page. The registration is also very simple, very simple, which anyone can do. So it's opening the sign up page for us to sign up. It's opening it. So It's going to open soon. Open the sign up form. I don't know why my network is a bit slow today. I don't just know why. I don't know why. I don't know. So make sure you check on my channel again, because I'm going to make a video on how you can complete these digital jobs on your platform, so that it can help you to earn more from this platform. So I'm making video on that very soon. So make sure you check back on my channel for that video, how to complete all those tasks on Nairaworkers platform. So make sure you come back for that particular video. What is wrong with my network today? So let's still wait a bit for it to open. Still wait a bit for it to open. I don't want to make this video too long. My network is really delaying me on this video. I don't know why. I don't know why my network is so bad today. Oh my goodness. I don't know what is wrong with MTN network. You can even have data, you cannot even use your data to do anything, and you have subscription. So it's opening the registration page. It's opening the registration page. Click on register. If you want to sign up, click here to register. So click here to sign up. As you can see, signing up. Okay, here is it. The registration is very simple. Actually, it's not complicated. You look at it here, your first name, put in your first name, your last name, your username here, gender, you a male or female, and your email address, password, referral. That is why I said use the link at the description of this video as your referral, so you can be, so that they will know I'm the one who referred to this platform, and also confirm your password. Look at here, I want to show you something. It says creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. One account per person. So don't create two accounts, one person per account, and that is how it is done. If you create multiple accounts, you might get banned. So make sure you take note of that. Once you have successfully filled all this, all you need to do is click here to sign up. An email will be sent to you, then log into your email to confirm your registration, and then you are good to go. So guys, that is how to actually make money about this particular platform, Nairaworkers. So with this video, you can say, or you can tell, that Nairaworkers is a legit platform, and there's nothing like scam. You sign up, the registration is completely free. You are not paying anything, no grading fee. So all you need to do is sign up an account using the link at the description of this video. Begin to complete their task, and you begin to earn. On my next video, I'll be making video how you can complete those digital skills. So make sure you check back on my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, see you again in my next video, and love you. Bye bye.